I'm ready. What if you had multiple camera angles and one of them was like down here?
After choosing a real estate agent.
What if I did the whole video looking here? Would that help? That's boom, front view, boom, side view, boom, up your nose. Dude running on a train. Boom, Batman landing. Boom, punching the interest rates. Boom. What do I punch? Bam, here are the keys. Pop champagne. Hello? Pow, 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 pow. Number 4. What can I do to, no, I didn't do that. We weren't on number 4. We were on number 3. 3 comes after 2. 4 comes after 3. Ah! Don't laugh at me. High five. Ah, touchdown. What are your processes? Processes. Done. Hey guys, welcome back.